Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Ito nga pala at nagpa-practice kami ng single baston for our knees. Ito nga pala guys, performance namin for our PE. Ayan guys, medyo konti pa lang ang napapractice namin dahil kakastart lang ng pagpapractice namin ngayong araw. Yun na lang muna guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you guys! Bye!